Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find SHEIN item code. So basically what you'll need to do is open your browser and go to the SHEIN. After that you'll need to go to the categories and select the item. So basically I will select this bracelet, and how to find the item code, what you'll need to do is scroll down until you see a description right here, as you can see, and click on the description, and you'll see this item description and you'll see SQ. So this SQ means item code, because if I copy that and basically if I go to the search and paste it, I will find this item, as you can see right here. So this will help you to find the item easier. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.